What's going on YouTube? It's your boy He-Man, and in today's video, man, we gonna go ahead and wash her because she is filthy right now. Like, if y'all look at just look at all of that. Like, she's just dirty. Like, so I need to go ahead and give her a wash, man, because she needs some love. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got done to the interior and show y'all those beautiful red seats. But right now, we gonna go ahead and show y'all the front and how dirty she is. So from the last video, y'all know I just got new fender liners, right? Chat, where my fender liners go? Chat, bro, y'all go subscribe. I mean, follow. Yeah. But bro, tell me. The fender liners I just paid for? You cannot be serious, bro. You cannot be serious, bro. That's like 300 and some dollars right there, but it's just going. Plus that, probably like 500 right here. Just gone. I just had it for 2 days. So we gonna go ahead and let me put this back in here. Gotta take all my cleaning supplies out. Big box type shit. This is dirty, bro. Fuck it. But yeah, man, I'm like, this shit got me so hot, bro. Like, fuck, man. So yeah, man, we gonna go ahead and wash her. She is filthy right now. Like, oh my god. Fuck. So yeah, we gonna go ahead and show her some love. Get her some love so we can get her right. I do got something on the way. 2 things is on the way. Or a couple things. Bro, why is it like every single time I'm doing a video, bro, there's always somebody that's like popping shit. But y'all can see me now, man. My hair looks crazy. I had the barrel twist, so it looks crazy. Y'all just chilling. We gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show y'all the inside before I do everything. This is what we working with. It's dirty. I got Subway over there. Like, everything is just dirty, but I'm gonna show y'all these and what they look like before and after. That's pretty much how we gonna finish up this video, man. So let's go ahead and pay. Oh, wet and shit. Ooh. Let me go ahead and put some soap on her now. So we pretty much done now. I gotta do is kind of dry it off a little bit, but this how she looks. So I just did the rims. I'm gonna finish clean on the inside, and I'm gonna show y'all what interior detailing I just was using. Here I go. Got my little cloth right there, so I can start it. Yeah. It didn't work. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Pop. Yeah, he was, I guess, oh, my boy was asking me, I guess, I don't even know, bro. We finally got back to the house from the car wash. As you can see, the interior I barely touched because I didn't have any coins on me to vacuum my car, so don't mind that. But here you go. Here's the seats. I'm gonna show you guys what seats exactly I have and what seats they sent me, so you guys can, if you want this same setup, you can get this one or you can get custom ones. So this is how mine's fit. All the straps go pretty much underneath the car. go around. I have these two out because I was doing a deep cleaning. I just have to push those in. They pretty much just push in underneath your seat. As you can see, my original seats are like blackish gray kind of. And here the back seats, that's my pedal commander over there. I have those out as well because, like I said, I was trying to get to the trunk. So the reason I have these out is because actually the trunk, these seats cover the whole thing. And if you have a Camaro, then you know that there's a little thing we need to pull that back seat out. And when I put these on, I could not get to that. So I actually have to put my hand through here. You see my seats are black. Put my hand through here and get it. Now, hold on, let me see if I can. Here we go. So there is this, but this is for the back. That's for that little thing right there. So that's me personally. I have it like that. Now I do push it in all the way, but if I need, for whatever reason, I need to go back there, then I have to kind of take that whole thing out. I mean, yes, sometimes it get annoying, but that's how they made the seats. Now the ones that I have, don't mind my little mess over here, I have these ones. So the custom leather with the premium artificial leather, these are the ones I have. The red face, and these are about $470. So if you want the same ones I have, they're about $470 on the website. Now you can get genuine leather. Those do cost a little bit more. I don't remember which ones I have. I don't remember if I have the genuine or premium. They sent me it, so I'm unsure. There is a few more. Let me go back and show you. You got pretty much a wide selection that you can choose from. So if you're not a fan of the red, you can go ahead and choose black or whatever other color you can. If you want custom order, you can do your custom order. I don't know how much that costs, but you can get a custom order. I don't know where you do that at. Somewhere. You just gotta go to the website. But yeah, that's pretty much my interior and all the stuff that I got done to it. But like I said, it is, if you are trying to get back there, you have to do that. Now, if you, for whatever reason, you don't need to go back there. For me, I had to a couple times, so I kind of take mine out. But if you don't need to, you just go ahead and tuck yours all the way in and push them all the way in. So these are pretty much gonna go underneath right here. Like they're gonna go all the way through there. And it'll be best if you probably have this down, or you can probably take it out, which I probably have to take mine out and, you know, actually hook them on there. But they're pretty easy to hook. This is the front. Everything matches up, the holes and everything. I have to pull this down a little bit, but everything matches up. So yeah, man, I mean, let me know what y'all think of these red seats, because me personally, I get so many compliments all the time. They're like, yo, I like your red seats in the car. Yo, this got red seats, this got, yeah. So so yeah, y'all let me know, man.
Running up this money been a breeze. Flew her and she fucked me till she leave. She didn't fall in love, I'm selling dreams.